Hey you guys, so I'm back with another video, and today we're having salad. It has eggs, carrots, cheese, bacon, chicken, oh, and we're having water. But let's get it in, y'all. Let's get it in. It also got grapes in it, you guys. Make sure y'all subscribe to my channel. Leave me a couple comments and stuff. Yeah, I just want to say, YouTube is not easy, honey. It most definitely is not. It's fun though. It's fun for me and my family. But, baby, it's not easy. And trying to learn all this new stuff and all the stuff you have to do to make your channel good and stuff like that. It is not easy at all. But I'm trying. And keeping up with all the technology that you need to make your stuff look super good on camera. Y'all. It is not easy at all. Y'all, I made a huge salad, right? Because I wanted salad. Let me show y'all. Look at this. When I say this thing is good, y'all, that thing is good. It is super good. I made it for everybody in the house, child. If y'all can do me a favor, share this video. Get my subscribers up. Because the girl is struggling. Got some grapes up in here, y'all. I'm been eating salad all day, y'all. Y'all, what's one thing that if y'all only could eat one food for the rest of y'all life that y'all could eat? Mine would be salad. Salad with chicken, grapes, and bacon, and cheese, and eggs. I could literally eat this every day. No problem. What about y'all? Look at that. No, that's too loud. Go. Okay, baby. Oh, and my glue. Okay. So, y'all, I know my kids is always running in my videos, making all this noise and stuff. I just be trying to let them be free, you know, when they're at home. So, now I know that can aggravate people when they watching my videos. So I think what I'm gonna start doing is I'm gonna just have to record my videos when they're at school, so they can be quiet in the background, and y'all can only hear me. Cause just like just now, my son just ran up the stairs, super loud for no reason. But I'm gonna try to start recording while they're not here, so that way the videos will be quiet and the only thing y'all hear is me. But I'm gonna figure this thing out, y'all. I really am. It's not easy, but I am gonna be working my butt off to try to make better content for y'all and stuff like that. So don't give up on me. Don't give up on me. Y'all, this salad is so good. So good. But y'all, I did get me a tripod. But half of the time, when I'm finna do a video, I forget to get it. That's why I'm gonna have to set up, like, have a setup that I never take down, so I don't forget my stuff. And once I sit down and do it, I don't want to get back up, you know, try again. I just don't. But I know I gotta put out better content to get my subscribers and views up and stuff like that. And that's understandable. It really is. And honestly, I have more people watching my videos than the people that subscribe to my channel. The people that subscribe to my channel, I hardly ever see any of y'all comment. But the people that's not subscribed to my channel, they leave me comments. And I think that is weird. That is so weird. Can you turn it down some, please? But it's okay. Thanks for the support anyway, you know. If push comes to shove, I probably end up having 2 different channels. One for the family and one for my mukbangs. And I focus on my mukbangs when I'm by myself. I'm gonna figure it out though, y'all. Just be patient with me. That's all I ask. Found me another grape. It's cold in here, y'all. I hope everybody having a blessed day. Right. I hope y'all enjoying yourself today. Martin Luther King's Day. This is so good, y'all. Make sure y'all follow all my social media, please. Oh, good. That was good, y'all. Bye, y'all. Love y'all. Stay blessed, not stressed. Subscribe to my channel. And don't forget, like, comment. Yeah.